Okay, there was just a lightning bolt a second ago, and there's a thunderstorm on Christmas time. Probably one of the weirdest experiences of my life, because I've never experienced a thunderstorm on Christmas, except for when I was in Atlanta. That's the only time I experienced it. That's the only time I experienced a thunderstorm even close to this time. Storm cell is just a little bit south of here. And there's four storm cells in total. One of them is south of here. Three of them are west, southwest of here. West to southwest of here. So chances are we're gonna get a direct hit from at least one of these storm cells. Yeah, it's raining pretty hard right now. The worst is storm near Forked River and Egg Harbor is getting explosive thunder, frequent and intense lightning, hail, damaging winds, and tornadoes. And that's shocking because that's shocking. It's Christmas time. It's not supposed to be tornadoes. You know, unless you're in the deep south or unless you're in Texas or in Florida or California, you're not supposed to get thunderstorms this late in the year. Hasn't been much activity yet. And if the storm turns severe, I'll keep you guys updated. But I'm just gonna keep recording this for now in case it gets severe while I'm filming. Yeah. I don't know why there's thunderstorm this late. And I don't know why it's so hot this late. I mean, it's gonna be 75 degrees on Sunday. That's not supposed to happen in December. So chances are we're probably going to get thunderstorms this Sunday as well. Alright, yeah, I'll keep you guys updated in case I'll keep you guys updated when things turn severe. If they turn severe.